Here's date and time on my iPhone 14 Pro. And in this video, you're going to ride the glass elevator here at the Village Court in Elm Grove, Wisconsin. It is a black button Dover from the early 70s. So with that said, let's call it. And it's right here. Yep, as you can see, this one is indeed glass, unlike the one in the other building. Let's go up to 2. Look out the window here. Right here are 2. Let's go back down to the basement. Look up going down. And we'll take it up again, but this time what we'll do is wait for it to close and then press 2. And as you can see here, this one also has your bumper. And we're going to start up the elevator in 3, 2, 1. Here we're back up at 2. And we'll send that back down to the basement and end from there. Alright, let's get your cab view. It's really nice for an office building. Got a very identical cab, except this one's glass. So here's your button panel, which is basically like there is in the elevator, with the Northwestern logo right there. Let's give a little look up the shaft. You can see the guide rails. You got a really impatient door. You can see, look at this. You can see the gear for the door. Alright, we'll let it go. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this video, and that'll be it.